Take command of the road in the 2009 Nissan Murano. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.